Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Allow Explicit Content on the Spotify app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're inside the app, we're ready to begin. Step 2. Now locate the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Tap on it and it'll take you to your account page where you can manage all your settings and preferences. Step 3. Next, locate the settings and privacy option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the content and display option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this Allow Explicit Content option is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Allow Explicit Content option to turn it on instantly. Activate the explicit content labeled with the E tag is playable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.